Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
If you're visiting Walt Disney World, it's worth downloading the My Disney Experience app from the App Store. Now, when you set up the app, there are a few things worth enabling. One of them being Bluetooth and the other being location awareness, just so that it can provide the attractions and events based on where you are in the Disney resort, as I'll show you now through the app. So once you go in on that home screen, you can scroll through and it'll show you a key breakdown of these details for Disney Hollywood Studios, as it's detected I'm within the park. From there, you can also filter by park for the attractions, and that will show you live wait times. It will also show you how to get to those destinations from where you are.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.